the city wanted to have a little official dedication ceremony for our new piece of equipment. So we agreed to do it today. Beautiful Saturday morning. First of all, I want to thank the Livingston Volunteer Fire Company. Thank you guys for coming and always responding and being a good company, the best company in the county. Mr. Supervisor Espinoza, thanks for coming and supporting us. Appreciate it. Mr. Mayor, Mr. Paul Samra, thank you for coming and supporting. Just want to talk a little bit about the new piece of equipment. We believe in the city and working with the fire department that will be beneficial for the city and the county. It's going to help out in different situations. So we're happy to have a piece of equipment. And I just want to remind the fire department, the city and the council and our staff are really strongly supporting the Livingston Fire Department and the mission we have as a public safety department. And for me, this is the first step of many steps that we're going to have our fire department be one of the best departments in our county. So for me, I see it as the first step of many. I know that we still need other equipment. We need a new fire station. We need a second firefighter. We need a lot of support for our fire department. So to me, this is the first step, and we wanted to show the community, we wanted to show the department that we are committed to providing whatever is needed to this department. So I just wanted to say a few words and introduce our mayor. He's also going to say a few words, and then I'll come back and our supervisor is also going to say a few words. Thank you.
Hello folks, as Juan said, thank you for coming. And I think, I know it was a long time coming. Our what do they call them? That squad. It was old. It didn't have that many miles, but we don't drive that many miles. We're a small city, but getting Type 6, I think is one of the best things we did. And I want to thank Cal Fire and volunteers and Juan, everybody to say, hey, here's what we need. And then we always will have support from the city for what we need. Now, one thing I always do when I'm out there is I'm always bragging about good old 96. I see some other folks with their other patch on there and said, you know what, you guys are nothing compared to our 96. We got the best volunteers, we got the best response, we're the best. And now we're gonna help you guys what we can do by, like Juan said, getting another fire station for you guys and take the burn off some of the folks. If we can, work with the county. I know Supervisor Espinoza has been very helpful in this, just if we can get another firefighter here too. So we just got to work out what the cost will be, and we need it. Hey, if it doesn't happen this year, I'm sure it's going to happen soon, but we're going to make it happen. So with this, I hope, it's probably a bad way to say this, but it's a good way to say it. I hope it gets used little as possible, because when these things roll, someone's in serious trouble, they need help. So when these things are in vain, it's good for the city, but at least if somebody needs it, we're there. And another good thing about the fire department is when you see the black and the red and blues, you're worried. When you see this, you're thankful that somebody's there behind you. No one ever complained, why do I have the reds behind me? They always say, thank you for being here. So with that, I'll bring up Supervisor, if you want to say a couple of words, please do so.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much. I want to thank Juan, the mayor, for inviting me over here to dedicate this beautiful truck, Type 6. I think it's about time that all the money that we sent back to the city. I'm just kidding. That we get a nice truck. Cal Fire and our volunteers. Of course, I'm so thankful with all the volunteers here in our city that we, you guys provide so much support here in the city and out in the county. I'm doing my best to try to finish the revenue sharing agreement that we were supposed to have back in 2008. And of course, add more, support with an extra Cal Fire personnel, or whatever needs to, whatever we need to protect this city from, whatever hard issue we come up with. So I'm just glad that the council and the city, and together with everyone's support that we're able to get this type of equipment, and you know, it can basically go anywhere. Where the big trucks sometimes, you know, like I was saying with Mr. Jose Torrigo, some of those trucks can't get into certain areas, but this type of truck will be able to almost get in anywhere. So, and make sure that less issues arise or fatalities arise. So, thank you, Livingston. I'm happy to always keep on supporting Livingston, and I'm proud to say that I live in the safest city in Merced County. So, thank you.
So, like I said earlier, I just want to keep it nice and short. Once again, I want to thank everybody for coming today, and it was very important as a city to have a small dedication for this new piece of equipment. Once again, thanks to the volunteer company, our battalion chief Carter's here, Rodriguez, Alvis, the staff, and the station. I know you guys worked very hard, so we noticed that, and we appreciate it. All the hard work that took place to get this done. So thank you so much. Like I said, the city's really committed to providing that support to the fire department. So thank you guys.
Can I say something real
definitely.
quick? Do you mind?
Oh no, go ahead.
Okay.
Please.
You got that Cal Fire shirt on?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I proudly have my Cal Fire shirt on. My dad is Manuel Guerrero, and he was a volunteer here since before I was born, and I'm not going to tell you when that was. But this station was my childhood, and I just cannot imagine this place not being a part of who I am, and I am so grateful to have this, and thank you all for being here. And David Bates is absolutely someone who has been a big part of my family for a long, long time. So I thank you for your time. So just wanted to say that.
Good job. Anybody just want to say a few words or anything? Alright guys, well thank you. That's pretty much it.
Thank you.